Enjoy the view of this 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors, fog lamps, dual zone AC, rear AC. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.